Pinpoint weather alert continues. A lot of snow fell yesterday in some areas, and this week it sounds like Michelle and Pete were kind of on a every other day pattern with the snow.
Yeah, our next chance for it comes tomorrow, Patrick. Outside right now, got a fresh 6 inches of snow here at my house. It's a beautiful morning. The sun is shining. The skies are dry, but our roadways are still in a little bit of tough shape, especially those secondary streets, neighborhood streets, sidewalks, and parking lots following yesterday's storm system. As we look out at our temperatures right now, our East Providence camera showing off those blue skies, but it is very chilly this morning. We're running still in the teens, up a degree in Providence to 18 wind chill. What you need to dress for this morning, single-digit numbers. We are going to have a dry day today, confirming that on live Doppler radar. But as we mentioned, it is a busy pattern, and Pete has more details on what's ahead for tomorrow.
That's right, Michelle. Yes, we are tracking more snow on the way for tomorrow. I'm going to time that out for you coming up in just a couple minutes. We're going to enjoy just a little bit more blue sky here. This is Newport Harbor. Now, it is cold, as Michelle mentioned. Notice the snow cover still on the ground here, with our temperatures running in the teens and our wind chills in the single digits, as Michelle mentioned. Look at that, 6 they feel like temperature in Smithfield, 11 in Taunton, 9 westerly, 7 for you in Block Island, with our breezes out of the northwest generally at around 5 to 15 miles an hour. A few gusts out there as well. Newport, recent gust of 23, recent gust of 25 for Block Island. And that's because we have that center of low pressure to our northeast, sucking in those winds from the northwest. And it kind of looks quiet when we look across the country. However, there is something lurking in the northwestern part of the country. A little ripple in the jet stream will slide across the United States and visit us with some snow by tomorrow morning. We'll talk about that in just a second. First, we're discussing temperatures today. It's probably going to be a struggle to make it out of the 20s. You'll notice we're in the mid-20s during the late morning, upper 20s to around 30 degrees for the early afternoon with the mostly sunny sky. So at least we have a break in this weather pattern today. This afternoon at 2 p.m. notice pretty much all locations in the upper 20s, and our breeze is generally around 10 to 15 with some gusts of around 20, keeping that wind chill factor in the forecast. Let's now fast forward to overnight. This is around 4 a.m. tomorrow. Some late snow is possible, so some slick roads potentially for the Tuesday morning commute. I still think the bulk of the snow likely holds off until late Tuesday morning through the afternoon. Notice around noon or 1 p.m. we have some of these moderate bands of snow potentially moving through, even some slightly heavier bands in northwest Rhode Island. So briefly the snow could be coming down at a pretty good clip. And then during the mid-afternoon hours, the snow starts to clear out. It should be out of here by Tuesday night and Wednesday morning, leading to partly cloudy skies. There could be some lingering icy and snowy spots into Wednesday morning as well, depending on how these snowfall amounts materialize. So here's what we're thinking right now. A widespread 1 to 3 inches, 2 to 4 here for northwest Rhode Island. We may see some isolated higher amounts here north and west of 295. We'll keep you posted on that. And around a coating to an inch for Block Island, where some mixing to rain is likely. 7-day forecast brings in that snow for Tuesday. Wednesday, partly cloudy skies, and maybe a bit more snow Thursday into Friday. Staying quite active. WPRI.com.